Hello friend, now we learn the family table. Family table when used. When there is a different dimension of the one part required, that time we can use the family table. Okay, we can easily understand with the one example. To open the part, okay, select the revolve, placement, define, front plane, sketch. Draw the geometry center line. Now draw the sketch. Okay. Modify this dimension. Okay. Okay. Now apply the chamfer at these edges. Okay. Press done. Now apply the hole at this surface at the center. Okay. Okay. Now apply the different dimension of the same part. So select the tool, family table. This define the add or delete the table column. Okay. Now select the dimension. Okay. Now which dimension required? Okay. So select it, this dimension, this dimension, this dimension and this dimension. Okay. Now what features is also required? So one feature is a chamfer features, one is a hole feature. Okay. Now okay. Now open this family table. This family table directly open. Okay. Now enter the one number. Okay. Now enter the different value which is your required. Okay. Like 40. Two to 5. Okay. Okay. Now chamfer is required or not? Yes. Okay. Now hole is required or not? We can say no. Okay. Now this is the verify option. This verify the all the dimension which is okay or not. So press verify option. This define a success, means it parts become success. Okay. Now part 1 open. Now you can see this different dimension. Okay. You can see this, there is a hole. not required. Okay, you can also modify dimension scene. Okay, you can also show the 225, 40, 125, 180. Okay, this is our modified dimension. Okay, this way we can use the family table. Okay, thank you.